Hello guys. Um Hello there, how are you all doing? I'm doing good. Sorry for not posting YouTube videos for a while. But I'm currently working on building the Poppy Playtime Chapter 2 map using the Ms. Beam or whatever you pronounce it mod. I think you've already heard of this mod before. Like version 10 just came out, and yeah, I'm using that mod to build chapter 2 of Poppy Playtime. So as you can see, I've already started on the Poppy route, and the entrance of the first thing where it comes into the chapter 2, like the whole with the Huggy and Bron thing. Yeah, that's the hard thing that needs power. There's the bar where I have to swing across. There's the Huggy cutout right here. And there's a door where you get the lever. Yeah, it says break lever and unlock the door, which is Elliot Ludwig's door. Right here, Elliot Ludwig. I haven't made his room yet, but I'm gonna make it now. So enjoy watching this time lapse of me building the rest of Poppy Playtime Chapter 2 in Minecraft. Bye. Okay, so now I've actually worked on building the vents, and then when I finished it, I was working on the bit where you first see Poppy in Chapter 2 where she jump scares you with the box. Yeah, I built that. I used stone and stone walls. I used stone for the floor and stone bricks for the walls and stone for the ceiling. Yeah, nothing much. And then here, I've added decoration here on the floor. And then I actually worked on the roof here. And then I'm actually working on the power electricity puzzle. Which is literally the main topic about Poppy Playtime. Here I tried to place Poppy in here, but I couldn't for some reason. So I just added it in the case here. I've added some boxes and I've wrenched the electricity, and here I'm done. Okay, so here I've actually finished the actual room of where you first meet Poppy. Yep, you know, let's just spawn Poppy instead of just her in the case. So, spawn Poppy. Now go, there she is. Now, everything here is basically done. Yeah, I like how this turned out. It's pretty good. I must say it is. It's like really good. Anyway, oh yeah, hold on, I forgot something. It's the bar that you hold on to, that you swing up to after you finish the power thing. Anyways, yes, now we can just remove everything we have in our inventory. And yeah, that is basically everything done. The next room I need to do now is where Poppy gets kidnapped by Mummy Longlegs. It won't be that a challenge, right? Yeah, it won't be that hard. It won't be that hard, right? Because it's just basically a room with a hole with Poppy and Mummy Longlegs' arm in it. So I don't think it'll be that much of a challenge. So let me just get the stuff that I need real quick. A big tile. And there's the actual red, blue and yellow tiles for the floor. And yeah, let's just get the other stuff. So I couldn't really record myself like building this scene for some reason due to the photo error or whatever that means. But at least we still have the map. And let's get to the next time lapse. Are you doing a good there? She's nodding, so I guess. See you in the next one. Hi, it's me again. So anyways, I was extending the slide and then got to the actual map bit where you like do the power and all that stuff. You know what I mean? You know what Playtime talk about. Then I was doing the walls. I got an iron door for the entry of the power room. Then I continued the walls right here. And here I have finished the wall and I did the ceiling. After I finished the ceiling, then I moved on to lighting. I moved into lighting. So there's lights everywhere, and then that's when I was building the power room. This took us so long to make, like I don't even know how long. I checked the video in my photos album, and it said this video took 22 minutes in total. So basically, the whole map took us 22 minutes. Anyways, back to the chase. So I finished the walls, kind of. I've only finished the upper wall. I've only finished the upper wall here, and then did the ceiling. Then I was extending them down all the way on the floor. Yeah, I was a bit too lazy to colour in the floor, but it was that dark. You won't be able to see and tell what the floor is, so it doesn't really matter anyway. So here I've also begun on doing lighting over here, like where the power outlets are going to be, if you know what I'm talking about. I think you do know what I'm talking about, right? Then I was placing iron bars along the bridge, and then I added the blue pole that you wrap around with your grab pack hand. Then I actually was finishing the full wall, and then here I'm done once again. Me again, it didn't also let us record a time lapse of me building this map, but if you ever want to see the cutscene here.
Isn't this exciting, Poppy? Very exciting, Mommy. Mommy heard that Miss Poppy was going to just give you the train code to escape. Now, how is that fun? Instead, why don't we make a game out of it? The game station is still working. It will be just like old times. And if you win all 3 games, I'll give you the train code. Mommy loves that idea, Puppy. Oh, you're going to have so much fun. Head to musical memory, and Mommy will get things started. Obey the rules, or I'll tear you apart and eat your insides while you're still alive.